All right, so that is the job of the pen tool. So, in summary, tools in video editing is refers to what the various software features that is being used for what to allow you to manipulate, enhance, and transform your video footage. So that is the job of all these tools here. They are just meant to what to help you to transform, to adjust, to cut, do whatever you want to do on your clips. So going forward, I'll be talking about the panel. What is a panel in video editing? When we're talking about panels, in video editing, a panel refers to a section of the software interface that provides access to specific tools, features, and settings. Functions. So these are the panels now. Look, panels. In this panel, we have position, scales, we have rotation anchors that are performing a specific functions. Also, we have lumetri color panel to performing a specific function in color grading. We also have essential graphics for you to use the text tool and do whatever you want to do. So that is the job of a panel. And also, panel can be thought of as individual in windows within the software that allows you to work on specific aspects of your project. So it allows you to work on your project. You can do whatever you want to do. All these are what they are panels that helps you to work on your video. And what are the examples of panels in video editing? We have project panel, we have media panel, we have effects and panel. What is a project panel? Now, like I said the other time, I said this is a project. This is a project space. This is a project panel where all the projects you import is being stored. This is a project panel. Effects. This is a project panel. Anything you import here is being stored here. Whatever project you are working on is being stored here. That is a project panel. It displays information about your project, such as the project name, resolution, and frame rate. Okay, look at it. The project name. Here you can see the preset, the lumetri preset. Yeah, the frame. Everything is being stored here. That is the project panel. Also, we have a media panel. What is a media panel? Media panel allows you to import, organize, and preview media assets such as video and audio files. It helps you to import. This is it. This is media panel. Import, edit, export. That is the work of a media panel. So I want you to be familiar with the whole aspect of Premiere Pro. So that is about the media panel. Also, there is something called effects panel. Effects panel, like I said the other time, this is an effects panel where you have your effects controls. You have your effects controls. Yes, the lumetri color where you can perform colors, color grading, and whatever you want to do here. Essential graphics where you can work on your B-rolls and whatever, however you want it to go. So that is effect panel. It provides access to various effects such as transitions, color corrections, and audio effects. And lastly, we have color panel. There is what we call a color panel. This is a color panel. Lumetri color. It allows you to what? To make whatever corrections on colors and allows you to adjust color settings such as brightness, contrast, and and saturations. So that is the work of the color panel. This is it: the white balance, saturations, temperature, exposure, contrast, highlights, and so on and so forth. So that is the work of the color panel. Let's move forward to understanding the timeline and track layers. Timeline and track layers. Now we are getting there. What is timeline? I believe I've mentioned it the other time, but let's go deeply into it now. What is a timeline? Like I said the other time, I said this is a timeline. This panel is a what is called timeline. Yeah. So in video editing, the timeline refers to the graphical representation of your video project where you can arrange clips, transitions, and effects in linear fashion. You can see this now. You can arrange your clips and transitions in linear fashion. So look at this now. These are clips. This is one clip. This is another clip here. This is another clip here that is being. They are both on each other. So I can arrange my clip however I want it. I can arrange my clip. I can bring this here. I can bring this up. Yes, I can bring this here on the other. You can see now that is the work of what? That is the work of timeline. This is where you arrange all clips and all effects you are working on. This is where you make the arrangement. This is what? This is your drawing board. So a timeline is a place where you can what? Where you can arrange clips, transition effects, and effects rather, in a linear fashion. The timeline is the central hub of video editing process, where you spend most of your time assembling and refining your project. When you spend most of your time here, you can be here for very long time arranging your clips, doing whatever you want to do on here. This is your timeline. And timeline typically consists of what? Of video tracks, audio tracks, transition tracks, and effect tracks. Video tracks, audio tracks, transitions tracks, and effect tracks. Now, this is a video track. Like I said, this is a timeline. You can see that this clip is a video. This clip highlighted is a video clip. And this one highlighted, this is an audio clip. So in this timeline from here, this 1, 2, and 3. That is the timeline. We have 1, 2, 3, even 4. Yes, I have like 4 timelines here for the video. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a video timeline. You can see it here. V1, V2, V3. It means video 1, video 2, video 3. Yes, that is where you can arrange your clips here. And also in audio, this is the audio timeline. This is the audio timeline. We have what? A1, audio 1, audio 2, and audio 3. So here, this is your workspace. This timeline is your drawing board where you can perform any necessary editings you want to do. Cutting of clips, arranging of clips, whatever you want to do, it can be what? It can be done here. So let's move on to preview windows. Preview windows. What is a preview windows? This is a preview window where whatever you are working on is being displayed.
By reducing your blood pressure.
Whatever you are working
this
on
is a testimony
is being displayed. That is your preview window. So in video editing, the preview window refers to the window that displays a preview of your video project as you edit it. The preview window allows you to see how your edit looks like in real time, making it easier to refine your project. Whatever you are doing, if you are doing a color, if you are doing a color grading now, let me make an example here. This is a Lumetri panel. Yes. So let's say I want to correct a color here. I go to the Lumetri panel and I tune some things here. I don't know if you can see changes in what I'm doing. You can see changes in what I'm doing. The contrast, I can bring it, I can reduce it, I can increase the contrast however I want it, I can increase the highlights, I can reduce the highlight however I want it. But what I want to know here is that whatever I'm doing here is being what is reacting here. This is the preview window where I'm saying every editing I'm doing. This is how I know if what I'm doing is perfect or not in the preview window. So, and the preview window typically displays what? Number one, video preview. Video preview. That is what is showing now. Video preview. Also, it also display what? The audio preview. The audio preview. So that is the job of the preview window. It displays the window preview, the audio preview, the time code, a display of what? Of the current time code, allowing you to navigate the timeline precisely. So this is the time code. You can see displayed here. You can see displayed here. So those are what? Those are the displays on the preview window. So also let me talk about track layers. While I was talking about timeline the other time, yes, I was also showing some how the clips is being arranged, or the tracks in the timeline. But let me show you this. This line here, line 1, this line 2, this line 3 are called what? Are called track layers. This line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4 are called track layers. This is the place where you lay your clips. This is the place where you lay your clips. I can bring a new clips here. I can lay it here. I can bring another one here. I can lay it up here. These are what? Are track layers. And for the audio too, I can lay it here. I can lay it down here. They are what? Track layers. The same way there is a track layer for the video, there's also a track layer for the audio down here. Like I said the other time, the V1, V2, V3 shows the track layer for the video, and the A1, A2, A3 track layer for the audio. So there are types of track layers. As I was saying, we have video track layers, we have audio track layers, we have transition track layers, and we have effect track layers. Now, this in the video track layers, this is the video track layers where I can edit my videos, display. Whatever is displaying on the monitor screen is in the what? Is on the video track layer. Is on the video track layer. Whatever is on this video track layer will definitely show on the preview window. Whatever you have there will be on the preview window. So, and on the audio track layer, here, what does it's what? These layers hold audio clips, audio effects, and adjustments to audio levels. Like I said the other time, while I was using the pen tool to edit the audio, you can edit the audio level however you want. But here, as you are editing the audio levels, you are doing it on the audio track layer. You can't work on an audio clip in the video track layer. The audio clip can only be edited on the audio track layer, and the video clip can only be edited in the